Okay, now let's talk about the midpoint. The midpoint is a point on a segment that divides it into two equal or congruent parts. So say, for example, I've got this segment here, and I know that AB is 20 units. So the midpoint would be right there in the middle, where both AC and CB would be 10 units each. It's that point that divides a segment into two congruent segments. So the bisector, on the other hand, the bisector is a little different. The bisector is not a point, but it's a line, array, or another segment. That's kind of the big difference, that intersects a segment at the midpoint. So say, for example, I had this segment here, and then right at the midpoint, this is, let's call this XY, then right at the midpoint, there's another line that intersects it, such that this, call this WY was congruent with XW. I could call this line here a segment bisector.